The definition of a religion is a man-invented thing. I don't say Christian, Muslim, Jews, human beings.
Yeah, but I don't.
Whatever. Human beings. All mankind has to believe in God. All mankind has to go through a certain code of law. The difference between Jews and non-Jews, that we got 613 commandments and the non-Jews got 7. And it's not really 7, it's more like 70. If you want to learn about it, go to my website. There's one place that I wrote an article about the 7 laws of Noach, and you'll see that it's about 70.
And then like just common sense laws, right?
Excuse me?
Common sense.
Can't hear you.
Common sense laws.
Yeah.
Common sense.
No, a lot of them is way beyond common sense.
Oh, okay.
But if you want to go, you'll read all these laws that a Gentile has to do, and they're not exempt. Now, I don't like saying Catholic, Christian, Muslims. This is as a terminology that a man invented. But before there was inventing these religions, all the human beings are the same. We're all commanded to serve one God. How He tells us to serve Him, not how we invented to serve Him. So the difference between Gentiles and Jews is unfortunately, fortunately and unfortunately, we got much more commandments. That's it. It's just a different position. But if
a bigger reward though.
not necessarily, not necessarily. I know Gentiles that are more righteous than Jews. It's not necessarily.
Yeah, but like in comparison, a Jew that keeps 630 commandments, lives righteously, and then 7, the Jew.
In theory, yeah.
Okay.
But in fact is that everybody's part of the redemption. Non-Jews and Jews. People think that the redemption is for the Jews. Without the Gentiles, we can't have the redemption. That's why 30 years ago the Lubavitcher Rebbe started teaching and promoting the 7 laws of Noach. Because he said, we are waiting for Mashiach for 1,000 years. Now go educate the non-Jews that they also have to wait for Mashiach. The real Mashiach. Not the one that they think is Mashiach. So non-Jews are part of the redemption. They have a big part in it. And when they practice it, they're part of the redemption. They're part of the world to come, the non-Jews. There's no difference. There's a source that says that when in a later stage of the redemption, all the mankind that will remain, we're all going to be Jews, all going to convert. There's only going to be Jews. So any Gentile that is remaining and merited to see the redemption will be elevated to a level of a Jew. He's going to convert. If he doesn't convert now, then he has to follow the 7 laws of Noach. And when the time will come, he will be promoted, and that's it. And a lot of them will survive. There's millions of Noahites. They get the point. They see between the lines and say, I see the truth. Yeah. And that's it. The Gentiles were also at Mount Sinai. They also saw the Torah. People think that only we were there. No, we were front line. All the nations were there.
Mashiach has to be a descendant
of David.
David.
There are 4 types of Mashiachim, but the one who comes to redeem us is the son of David. I mentioned before the son of Yosef, Mashiach ben Yosef. There's also the Mashiach ben Ephraim, Mashiach ben Menashe, but the one who's going to redeem us is the son of David. Is coming from the lineage of David. And he comes from the lineage of Yehudah, and he goes all the way back to Lot. That's why Lot is so important in the Torah.